Alright, so third time is the charm on trying to get the Suicide Squad Joker makeup done. I'm going to glue down my eyebrows. So I've tried to do this Joker 3 times now, and I always start with the eyebrows, and my eyebrow hairs are so dark I can't get them to cover it up, so it just looks weird. So I'm gonna try something a little bit different. Okay, so I have one green eyebrow. This is the best it's gonna be. So I wanted to take some white cream makeup that I picked up at the Halloween store, and I'm going to take my beauty blender with a little bit of that paint on it and just start pressing it onto the eyebrow. And then I'm going to just take a makeup wipe and just start carving out somewhat of an eyebrow. This is actually quite hard to do, so this is just the method that I'm going with today. I know there's easier ones out there, I'm sure, but this is just what's worked for me so far today with working with what I have. Okay, next I'm going to go in with a green eyeshadow, this one right here. Just use any light green that you have and start putting it all over your eyebrow. And I find that like a sweeping motion that tends to go on a smidgen easier, and you just want to build it up. It's okay if it's a little messy because we're going to clean it up a little bit more. Right, and then next I'm going to go into my electric palette, this color right here. Freak is what it's called. Concealer. Put this all over my forehead and just start carving out these eyebrows. Brows are done. It looks so weird. I went ahead and applied that concealer everywhere on my face. I did not set it, and then I already did one eye just to make sure it was exactly how I wanted to do it and to save time. So let's go ahead and do the other eye. We're going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean, and we are going to apply this all over the lid. And you want this to be messy. You don't want it to be like too perfect. And just start blending that out. Go in with a smaller brush, and we're going to blend this out. We're just going to kind of blend out those edges a little bit, and then on the underneath part you just kind of want to drag it down. I'm going in with MAC Pressed Pigment in Jet Couture. It's a black that has some shimmer in it. I'm going to pat this all over where we just laid that black. And same thing underneath. And like I said, drag it down. I'm gonna leave it there for right now. Next, I'm gonna add just the tiniest little bit of a contour. I'm going to go in with Jaclyn Cosmetics Beachy Cream Bronzer. So I'm just gonna take that foundation brush and just kind of buff over it. Looks like I said, we just want a little bit. Okay, now let's go in with our lips. I'm just going to use this black detailing pencil that I picked up from the Halloween store. So now we're going to start lining our lips and creating like that Joker face. Okay, so now we're going to take it, comb it out, make it like a smile. And now we're just gonna like kind of connect those lines. And I'm actually going to go ahead and fill it in. I'm just going to take this little brush and just kind of move it around. Now I'm going to go in with this Kat Von D liner. I'm just going to take like a lip brush and just kind of clean it up a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with Dragon Beauty liquid lipstick in Dragon Blood. Alright, so makeup is pretty much complete. We just got to add the fake blood and the haha down here. So what I'm going to do is quickly change my shirt and I will be right back. Okay, so I changed into a purple shirt. Now I'm going to take that black detail pencil and just write haha, ha 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 all over my chest. Now I'm going to add a green wig and we'll come back and finish off the look. Okay, so I managed to get a green wig on. I can't comb it back, like slick it back the way that Joker has his hair, so just gonna have to deal with this. Now we're gonna do the blood on the lips. So I'm gonna take the theatrical blood that I got from the Halloween store. And actually, I think I might wanna smudge this a little bit. As I was saying, the Joker, you know, his mouth was cut. So now we're going to use that blood and go in and start the outer corner here. And then make sure you also put it on your lips. And voila, the Joker. Alright you guys, so this is the completed Joker look. I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a go yourself. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.